Welcome to the Maestro Sersea podcast, where English learners worldwide learn and increase fluency in American English. As an English learner who moved to the United States of America more than 40 years ago, I began learning American English with the guidance and encouragement of my teachers. As an American English teacher, with over 30 years of experience teaching English learners in California, USA, I know that learning English is neither easy nor simple. Learning English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Let's work together to help you succeed.
Welcome to the 31st episode of the Learn American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. We have some great news for you. Due to popular demand, beginning with this episode, we will begin sharing 2 separate podcast episodes each week, on Sundays and Wednesdays. From now on, each episode will include 2 learning topics to help English learners succeed. Today we're going to focus on 2 topics. In today's episode, we're going to introduce our listeners to interrogative sentences. After this segment, we're going to continue with a motivational creative story with listening and answering comprehension questions written by Maestro Sersea and published on Amazon in the books and ebooks titled Creative Stories for American English Learners, Volumes 1 and 2. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Understanding interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are a type of sentence that asks a question. They usually begin with words like who, what, when, where, why, or how. These sentences are used to gather information or seek clarification. Types of interrogative sentences. Yes/no questions. These questions can be answered with a simple yes or no. For example, do you like ice cream? Or, is it raining outside? Questions. These questions start with words like who, what, when, where, why, or how. They require more detailed answers. For instance, where did you go on vacation? Or, why are you smiling? Punctuation in interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. This lets the reader know that the sentence is a question and that they should respond or think about the answer. Changing statements to questions. You can change a statement into a question by altering the word order or adding a question word at the beginning. For example, you like pizza can become, do you like pizza? Or, she is coming to the party can change to, is she coming to the party? Forming interrogative sentences. To form an interrogative sentence, begin with a question word or helping verb, followed by the subject and then the main verb. Make sure to end the sentence with a question mark. Practice time. Let's try forming some interrogative sentences. What is your favorite color? When does school start? Who won the game? How do you bake a cake? Where is the nearest park? Using interrogative sentences in everyday life. Interrogative sentences are used in conversations, interviews, surveys, and many other situations where information needs to be gathered. It's important to pay attention to the tone of your voice when asking questions, as it can change the meaning behind the question. In summary, interrogative sentences are essential for communication as they help us gather information, show interest, and engage in conversations. By using the right question words and structure, you can form clear and meaningful questions to enhance your interactions with others. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using interrogative sentences in your daily conversations to improve your communication skills.
Maria and her dream of becoming an entrepreneur in the USA. Creative Stories number 4. Once upon a time, a young woman named Maria lived in Guatemala. Maria's dream was to move to America and pursue the American dream by starting her own business. Her dream came true when she applied, won the green card lottery, and moved to the United States for a better life. However, when she arrived at her new home, she realized that she was not as prepared as she thought she would be. She could not read or write English. She had no job skills, no money, and no friends. So she decided to start from scratch, become an entrepreneur, and start her own business. She felt like the only way to survive and thrive in this country was to get help from someone who knows what they are doing. This is where her journey began as she sought assistance with starting her own business. The more she looked into it, the more she realized that others like her were also struggling to start their own business in this country. She lived in Anaheim, California, and heard about North Orange Community Education, part of North Orange County Community College District, offering free ESL classes and career certificates. She wanted to take classes in English as a second language program and eventually learn more about starting a business. Maria enrolled in the ESL class and was so excited when she got accepted into the Business Pathways program. It was the beginning of her entrepreneurial journey. The Business Pathways program at North Orange County Community College District allows students to earn an associate's degree while studying for their business credentials. This is perfect for Maria because she is studying for a degree and learning business skills. She has learned so much since she began her classes last year and has completed the curriculum for her associate degree in business management. However, the work isn't over yet for Maria. She must meet certain milestones to receive her certificate and complete her program. The Business Pathways program offers in-person and online courses, allowing flexible scheduling. Maria greatly enjoyed studying English in her English as a second language class. Her teacher was Maestro Sersea, and he had much experience teaching English learners. He was kind and funny, and Maria became more fluent in her English skills in record time. She also loved that he would help her if she had trouble understanding English. She could ask him anything in English, and he would always have an answer or explain it in a way that she would understand. Maria also enjoyed her math class. Her math teacher, Mr. David, was patient and helped her learn English as a second language and math. He helped her overcome her fears and was supportive when she needed help. She appreciated that she was able to learn both subjects at the same time. During the program, Maria discovered she loves working with students struggling to learn English as a second language. She also enjoyed business classes, where she learned about business management and marketing. Maria graduated with a degree in business management. She is now enrolled in the entrepreneurial program at North Orange County Community College District. She plans to start her own business by the end of this year. She is determined to get started on her journey to entrepreneurship, and she hopes that all the hard work and perseverance will pay off and that she will be successful in starting her own business. She knew that if she wanted to start her own business, she had to have a plan. So she did just that. She planned and prepared for her business and started the business of her dreams. Maria came up with the idea of opening her beauty salon and hair studio. She already had experience working as a stylist in Guatemala and has a natural talent for cutting and styling hair. She worked at several salons, including some of the top salons in Guatemala. She was always excited to go to work every day and was very dedicated to her job. She learned a lot from her experiences and always looked forward to going to work every day. She knew she wanted to open her own business to give her clients more flexibility and convenience when scheduling appointments. Maria knew she wanted to start her business in Orange County, but she also knew she needed to work in Orange County first to get the word out about her business. Maria also knew she would need to find a location to open her business. She thought it would be best to start her business in a location where she could reach her target market. So she chose to start her business in Westminster, California, because she knew that many people in the surrounding areas would be interested in her services. Maria is very excited to be the new beauty salon and hair studio owner. She hopes her business will do well and her customers will enjoy their time at her salon. She also wants her business to help other aspiring entrepreneurs follow their dreams and succeed in life. Maria plans to expand her business by offering services like manicures and pedicures. She will add more beauty products like moisturizers and shampoos. She hopes to open a second location in Huntington Beach, California, eventually. Her ultimate goal is to expand her business nationwide. Her dream is to offer the same level of quality as her current salon and hair studio, while also having the flexibility to work around client schedules and in locations all over the country. Maria can only see herself getting better and better in her business. She believes that she will grow as a business owner, make many more contacts, and positively impact others' lives. Maria's beauty salon and hair studio became very popular. The clients enjoyed Maria and her staff. Within less than 5 years, Maria had so many happy clients that she eventually opened a second beauty salon and hair studio in Huntington Beach. She now had everything she wanted professionally. She had saved enough money and bought her home in Newport Beach, California. When she wasn't working, she spent time going out with friends in fancy restaurants and walking together in beautiful Laguna Beach, California. She loved living in Newport Beach, California, surrounded by all types of people from all different walks of life. She learned and became friends with many new people and stayed close to her family and friends back in Guatemala. Maria's experience in starting her business helped her to succeed. She has a great business and has achieved her dream of becoming successful in business. Maria's dream of positively impacting other people's lives also helped her become a success. Maria's dream of running a beauty salon was not easy, but Maria's determination to follow her dreams and never give up is what made it possible. Maria is a great example of hard work and perseverance. She is very determined and focused and will do anything to achieve her goals and achieve her dreams. Her hard work has also helped her to be happy. Maria loves her life. She is very happy to be able to provide a service for people in need. Maria hopes other aspiring entrepreneurs will be inspired by her story to start their businesses. Maria's story is a good example of how one can accomplish many things if they have a dream and follow through.
Key takeaways.
Maria dreamed of being a successful business owner and running her beauty salon. Maria worked very hard at her dream and never gave up. Maria's determination and focus helped her to achieve her goal of being a successful business owner. Maria's story demonstrates how hard work and perseverance can lead to success in life. Comprehension questions about Maria's entrepreneurial journey. 1. What was Maria's dream when she lived in Guatemala? 2. How did Maria's dream of moving to America and starting her own business come true? Three. What challenges did Maria face when she arrived in the United States? 4. Where did Maria enroll in ESL classes and a Business Pathways program? 5. Describe Maria's experience with her ESL teacher and her math teacher. 6. What type of business did Maria decide to start in the USA? 7. What are some of Maria's goals for her business in the future? Answer key. 1. Maria's dream was to move to America and pursue the American dream by starting her own business. 2. Maria's dream came true when she applied, won the green card lottery, and moved to the United States. 3. Maria faced challenges such as not being able to read or write English, lacking job skills and money, and having no friends. 4. Maria enrolled in ESL classes at North Orange Community Education and the Business Pathways program at North Orange County Community College District. 5. Maria had a positive experience with her ESL teacher, Maestro Sersea, who helped her become more fluent in English. She also appreciated the support and patience of her math teacher, Mr. David. 6. Maria decided to start her own beauty salon and hair studio. 7. Maria's goals include expanding her business to offer more services, opening a second location, and eventually expanding nationwide.
Thank you for being part of today's podcast with Maestro Sersea, where English learners worldwide learn American English. Due to popular demand, we are now sharing educational podcasts twice a week, on Sundays and Wednesdays. In the meanwhile, if you'd like to access a variety of educational offerings, feel free to visit our website at www.sersea.com. Learning English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Keep up the good work.